Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to use a portable bottle to fill beer from the F1 keg using the equal pressure filling kit, so you can easily share it with your friends. Firstly, use this modified double-headed tube to connect the portable bottle to the gas interface of the F1. Then open the clamp valve, allowing the F1 to automatically fill the portable bottle with CO2. By manually pulling the pressure relief valve on the portable bottle, let the CO2 replace the air in the bottle as much as possible. After that, close the clamp valve. Disconnect the F1's gas tube and tube. Reconnect the gas tube to the keg. Connect the double-headed tube to the dispense outlet of the keg. At this point, open the clamp valve, and the beer will flow from the keg into the portable bottle due to the pressure difference. During the transfer process, the pressure in the portable bottle will gradually increase. When the beer flow slows down, you can manually pull the pressure relief valve slightly and repeatedly to speed up the process. When the beer reaches near the marked line, you can close the clamp valve. First, remove the tube from the keg and spray alcohol on the beer outlet. Then disconnect the portable bottle's interface. Prepare the lid for the portable bottle. Pull the pressure relief valve to release the pressure at the top of the bottle and remove the entire filling module. Quickly cap the portable bottle and finally seal the lid. This completes the entire process.